Popcorn. They look good. What's up, cuties? This is your favorite Christmas cute. So welcome to another episode of QQ Show with Natalie TV, and right now we're heading to seongsdong to check out this selected shop called Supy. And guess what, cuties?
Guess what?
You cuties remember the vlog we took like last winter, and we checked out this really cool cafe and realized they had an awesome selected shop on the side.
Yeah.
So we tried to film it, but they're like, so we're like, okay. From what we remember, they had a streetwear collection at the bottom and some really awesome vintage styles on the top floor, and they have really cool accessories as well. Yeah, so we're so excited to finally share this with the cuties. Yeah. We're super excited about today's QQ show with you guys. So wait, let's.
We're here.
Oh my god, my hair's so crazy.
Look, Krista, you look beautiful. You look beautiful. You are beautiful. And that take away.
I don't think they opened it yet, sister. Okay, this is supposed to be the entrance, but so this is the entrance, guys. There's supposed to be like a really cool door here. I just came in from the back door, but usually you should come in from this door. Yeah. This is the entrance.
Merry little Christmas.
So the first floor is usually like a men clothing, but there I can see some like unisex items here. But the second floor is where you can find all the women's clothing, so I'm really excited about that. That jacket's really cool. I think it's like they sprayed it. Yeah. Nice. This one, that one. The front is awesome too. Paint spray. Here's some cool reformation ideas. So they cut the sweater and the shirt in half and attached it together. By the way, guys, we are wearing charms today, and you guys gotta be really confused who is who, but this is Q1, this is Q2. Okay, bye. So all these jeans here, it has a really interesting side details. Like this one, it has these hologram stripes. This one has this silver. Yeah, and then rainbow. Oh, it's literally the handkerchief. Yeah, to the denim. What is this brand though? There's no brand, no concept. NBNC. This one is also NBNC. Oh,
that is
it's kind of like a poncho, but it's not. It's actually an oversized T-shirt.
I think this brand also do like a handmade vintage stuff like Jogush. Don't you think?
Yeah, cause like these looks like handmade.
Like one of a kind.
Yeah.
I think it's all handmade.
Maybe these are all handmade. Yeah. Yeah, like this one too.
Yeah, that one. That one.
Nice. Oh, you see that? That is spitting out rainbows.
This is so cute. Monster.
It literally looks like Monster. But then the zipper looks like a cheese.
Oh, and they all kind of look different. This one looks more nice. And this one looks kind of dumb. This one looks high. This one looks...
Oh my god, this is like the Lego.
Oh my god, it is.
Look at the phone case, look at that.
Oh
my god, this is a dinner set? That is so cute.
Is it for adults?
By the way, they have so many shoes, like too many.
That is really pretty color.
Come on. This color, that's like
So juicy.
So orangey. Oh, I like these little details here.
Gray and black.
Crazy pants. Oh my god. Wow.
This is really cool.
Wow. Oh my god, why does it remind me of Beckham and Sisters?
Oh yeah.
With the patches.
Really nice. Because it's like really hard to make it like cohesive.
Wow, this is crazy. Look at this, sister. This is the back of the jean.
Wow. In Korea, everything half is so popular. Like
I think it's a trend.
Yeah.
They have a lot of hat options.
They have like this red one.
This one's really nice.
You look pretty. So pretty.
Oh, it's really snuggy. Like it doesn't feel like, cause a lot of beanie feels like
droops
it's
down.
Yeah, droops down. But this one is like it's really snuggy. Mustard, orange, and forest green. Some bucket hat.
We go
Oh, I want this. 100 things you must do before you die.
It's where you can make your own list.
Oh my god, that's really nice.
So you write it and put it like a calendar, and then mark it off every time you do it.
So like check off your bucket list.
Yeah. It's 39,000. 39,000.
Yeah, this is Q2HAN's outfit. And she wore this pants, although it's super huge.
Well, if it was only my size.
Detail's amazing, man.
Wow.
It's all frayed.
All the little detail there.
Look at their shoes!
Like,
oh my god, gorgeous. Oh my god, it suits you, man. Yeah.
I like this.
Thumbnail.
Oh, what color is that?
It's white.
White? Yeah.
Hey, round sunglasses suit you well.
Oh my god, can I have this? Please. Oh my god, I love this one. Double lovers.
Oh my god, this is a necklace! This. That's a necklace.
And an earring, matching earring.
Oh my god, what the heck? What? That's crazy.
This is an art. This is not a shoe. That's an art.
I think I've heard about this brand though.
I like all their eyewear.
Oh my god, it's so pretty, right?
So pretty.
Is that also double lovers? No, it's not.
No. Oh, that one's really nice.
This one's the same brand from the jeans. The patchwork jeans downstairs. Ooh, the clear one.
Oh, that one's really nice.
It's very sturdy.
Yeah.
Look at this crazy dress. Oh my, sister, look at that.
I think it's the same brand.
Yeah.
Look at all these.
Wow.
What do you call this? Sequin?
Yeah, sequin.
The sleeves. Wearing like this.
That'd be amazing.
Wow. There's a one piece, but then the material is like the raincoat kind of material. This is the holder.
Is that a wood?
Yeah.
This is the fitting room, guys. That's so cute. They have a little ruffle on their neck.
I think you can wear it as coat or
A dress.
Yeah. Depends on how you wear it.
Bye. What are you filming? Take it off, sister. I have a t-shirt inside. Psych.
Now look at my sister. She is gorgeous. Oh my god. And the dress fits her like a glove.
You look like the rich girl from like the during the. Keep going, I'm listening.
Sister brought me two hats. Yeah. This one's like a regular cowboy hat. Yeah, that one. This one's brim is a little bit smaller than this one. That one's cute. Little look, gorgeous. The glasses, oh my god.
I think it like completes the entire outfit.
This dress, we're
Like,
kind of
right
worried
now?
it won't fit her, but
Right now it's raining outside. I can just go out like this.
wow.
And the shoe.
This gorgeous shoe.
Wow.
Meanwhile,
Look at the shape of this bag. Like literally everything looks like an art for me. This is also double lovers and I look like Soteji.
please give a reference to Soteji here, sis. Thank you.
Look what I found. The post-boy hat. They have in this color too.
Is there some mail for me to deliver? Like this?
Oh my god, I love this look.
Sister, how do I look? How do I look?
So this is the cafe that we have been talking about. This place is literally like a theater. That is so pretty.
It's like a little mini chandelier.
This place is so dreamy. It's so distinct from the other side.
Popcorn.
They look good.
So in terms of drink, they have like mint latte, yeonyu latte, vanilla latte, iced banana latte.
They have beer.
Ooh, and they have tea. Look at the pecan pie. They have Brazilian carrot cake and American carrot cake. Doesn't your neck hurt?
Okay, Cody's taste test.
It's a very interesting taste. Yeah. I think it's like it's bitter, but it's not like a bad bitter. I think first floor is more catered towards street style and like a normal, like easy to approach wear, daily wear.
But the second floor, if you want really cool, one of a kind of item, vintage and retro items,
Styles, you should go to upstairs.
And I love their cafe.
Yeah. I hope they had like little more options for women in terms of the bottom.
Yeah,
Bottoms are all kind of big
again.
I want to wear some patchwork jeans too.
But in terms of their like sweatshirts, sweaters, and outerwear and tops and stuff, it's all, I think it's a unisex.
Yeah, it's very figure friendly, easy to wear.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this Cookie Show and Night on TV. And if you cuties ever want to visit like a really cool selected shop in Korea, make sure to check out Supy. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.